I think that because it's not just focused on one thing, it incorporates all the aspects of hospitality and like the food and hospitality industry. So even if you have an interest in one part, like I was interested in the patisserie, but then I learned about everything else as well.
My recommendation is to try everything. Offer yourself up to the opportunities that come your way.
I think I just got a greater appreciation for how far passion will take you.
You have to have passion, plan really well, be very organised what you want to do, and you have to have a very clear goal.
If you really just stop and listen to advice and listen to direction, follow through with it as well, you'll tick the boxes.
What industry are looking for are people who are happy to put themselves out there.
Someone who's really keen to learn, really hungry and very eager.
Communicate with people, introduce yourself, be known, get known, be remembered.